Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix disappearing messages on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app here, I'm just going to tap on my DMs at the top right corner. And now I'm going to choose a random chat, for example, this one. Now, if you notice that Instagram messages has disappeared, then the first reason it might be because the other person decided to unsend the message. So if you make a long press on this message, for example, and then hit unsend, the message will be removed. And actually you can't control that if the other person decided to delete the message. Another reason, it might be because vanish mode is turned on. Now to turn it on, then swipe app. And as you see here now, we're on vanish mode. And what does that mean? Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So once the other person seen the message and close the chat, the messages will disappear. And now to turn it off, then swipe up. And like that, vanish mode has been turned off. And these are the two reasons why messages disappear on Instagram. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.